Hello friends at home. In this video I will be doing today's math lesson with you. We are doing lesson 4-9. It is on page 153 in our math books. We are here in the classroom. The sound is on and we are going to begin. As soon as I see my friends quietly paying attention. Someone's humming in the classroom and that's distracting. Okay, so on page 153, we are going to solve comparison word problems. Remember, comparison problems are the math problems where we're looking at two different numbers and trying to figure out who has a greater amount or more, or who has a fewer amount or less. So we're comparing two numbers and finding the difference, okay? So here it says, Maddie picks 4 tomatoes. Would you all please circle 4 tomatoes? It says Sophia picks 7 tomatoes. Would you all please circle 7 tomatoes? Then it says who picks more, who picks fewer? Well, we can figure that out because we know that more means the bigger number and we know that fewer means the smaller number. So who picks more is the person with the bigger number. So who picks more? Sophia, because she picked 7. Who picks fewer? Maddie, because she picked 4. Now let's figure out the difference, okay? So it says Sophia picks 4 plus how many more to equal 7? So Sophia is her 4 tomatoes plus some number we don't know to get us to the 7 that Sophia has. Maddie picks 4. How many fewer is that? Well, we could take Sophia's 7. We could take away 4, and the difference would be this answer. Both of these numbers will be the same number. Okay? So for me, I like to draw it out. All right? So here's my part whole box. I know my whole is 7, and one of my parts is 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's figure out how many I need in this other box, and that will tell us the answer that goes on both lines, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what number is in that box? Camila? 3. So a 3 goes here, and a 3 goes here. Okay, go ahead and write that in your book. All right, now let's look down at the bottom of the page where it says practice, and they filled in these answers for us, but let's walk through it so we can see their process, okay? So it says Ben has 8 more marbles, so circle 8 more marbles than Ian. Ian has 2 marbles, so circle 2 marbles. How many marbles does Ben have? Okay, so let's think about what we know. We know that Ian has 2. So here's 1, 2. We know that because it said right here Ian has 2. We know that Ben has 8 more than that. So he has 2 plus 8 more. So that's what they put here. 2 plus 8 more. And they're saying we need to add, so circle add. Now, what is 2 plus 8 more? Well, here's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is 2 plus 8 more, everyone? 10. So Ben has 10 marbles. Go ahead and trace that in your book now. All right, friends, go ahead and turn the page now. We're looking at the top of page 154. And it says choose to add or subtract. So we have to decide, are we going to add or are we going to subtract? And then we're going to write our equation. So who would like to read number 2 for us? Nice and loud so that our friends at home can hear. Beckett, read it nice and loud. Fewer carrots. Okay, Max grows 3 fewer carrots than Alan. So circle 3 fewer carrots. And then what does the next one say? Alan grows 5. Okay, Alan grows 5 carrots, so circle 5 carrots. How many does Max grow? All right, so Are we going to be adding or subtracting? Victoria? Are we adding or subtracting? We're subtracting. So circle subtract. We're going to be taking away to find the difference. Now here's what we know. We know that Alan has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we know that Max has 3 fewer. So we're going to say 5, take away 3, and that will tell us our difference. So here's our 5. Let's take away 3. Ready? Take away 1. Take away 2. Take away 3. How many are there left, Connor? 2. So 5 take away 3 equals 2. Max grows 2 carrots because 2 is 3 fewer than 5. Nice job. Could I have, let's see, nice and loud. Connor, read number 3.
There are 6 brown bunnies.
Everyone circle 6 brown bunnies.
There are 9 white.
Everybody circle 9 white bunnies.
How many more white are there?
How many more white are there? So we're going to be adding. So everyone circle add. We know that there are 6 brown and 9 white. So how many more white are there? So what we're trying to figure out is 6 plus what number would equal 9? Okay?
6.
Or what number plus 6 would equal 9? So let's figure it out. If we do our part-whole addition box, we know that all together we need 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We know that one of our parts is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we need to figure out what the missing number is. So if we go 1, ka-chink, 2, ka-chink, 3, ka-chink, 4, ka-chink, 5, ka-chink, 6, ka-chink. How many does that leave us, Isaac, that we need to put in this other box? 3. 1, 2, 3. So 6 brown plus 3 more equals 9 white. Or 3 more plus 6 equals 9. So there are 3 more white bunnies. Sit down, please. Who would like to read about Hannah and her soccer balls? It's nice and loud, Drew. Go ahead.
Hannah kicked 3 soccer balls.
Everyone circle 3 soccer balls. Keep going, Drew.
Alex kicked 8 balls.
Everyone circle 8 soccer balls.
How many fewer soccer balls does Hannah kick?
Excellent reading. So we're going to be subtracting. Everyone circle subtract. We're looking for a difference. Okay, we know that Alexis has 8, so put your 8 there. And we're going to take away Hannah's 3 to find the difference. So right here, I'm going to draw out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to draw Hannah's 3. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to find the difference. Do you remember how we find the difference?
Yeah.
They both have 1, ka-chink. They both have 2, ka-chink. They both have 3, ka-chink. Do they both have 4? No, so this is our difference. Raise your hand if you know what that number is. Sage? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. So 8 take away 3 equals 5. Hannah kicks 5 fewer or 5 less soccer balls. We're going to skip the write about it and go right on to the top of page 155. This is just a review of what we've been doing. This one they already did for you, so if you want to plug and chug in the numbers, you may. We're going to flip to 156, and we're going to begin with number 1. Top of page 156, who would like to read about Eric? Amelia, nice and loud. Yeah, Eric hits 9 tennis balls, so circle 9 balls. Keep going. Brian. 1 fewer ball than Eric, so circle that. 1 fewer ball. How many balls does Brian hit? Excellent. So we're going to be subtracting. You can circle subtract. Okay. And it says Eric hits 9 balls. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are the 9 balls that Eric hits. So put your 9 on that first line. Now, Emma, it says 1 fewer. So how many are we going to take away? 1. So everybody cross off 1. So 9 take away 1. And let's count how many are left. Everyone count with me. Here we go. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So 9 take away 1 equals 8. Brian hits 8 tennis balls. Did you want to read the next one for us, please? Okay, let's have Amelia help him out. Amelia, would you help him, please? Amelia, I want you to put him on the right page for me, darling. Flip it one more time. And we're on number 2. Do you want to read it for us, Chase? Chase is going to read it. Go ahead. Alice is her name.
Alice has 5.
I think those are peaches. Yeah, circle 5 peaches. And Leslie is the next girl's name.
Leslie has 7 oranges.
Okay. Circle 7. How many?
How many more oranges does
Leslie have.
Leslie have?
Good job. So it says we're going to be adding, so circle add. We're going to look here. We know that Alice has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Leslie has 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're trying to figure out 5 plus what number would give us 7, or what number plus 5 would give us 7. So they both have 1 ka-chink. They both have 2 ka-chink. They both have 3 ka-chink. They both have 4 ka-chink. They both have 5 ka-chink. What is our missing number, everyone? 2. So go ahead and plug in your 2. Leslie has 2 more oranges or peaches or whatever. You guys think they're oranges. I think they're peaches. All right. We have one more we're going to do. We're not going to do the right about it, but I do need my friend Emma to read to us about Henry. Henry sees 8 butterflies. Everyone circle 8 butterflies. Jake sees
2
Everyone circle 2 butterflies. How many fewer does Jake see? Good job. So we know we're subtracting. We know that Henry sees 8, so I plugged in my 8 right here. We're going to take away the 2 that Jake sees, and that will tell us the difference. So Henry sees 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll take away 2. 1, 2. How many are left here? Austin? 6. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Jake sees 6 fewer butterflies. Boys and girls, we are done with math for today. Friends at home, you can close up your books. Friends in the classroom, close them up and put them in your desk. And we will see you later, friends at home. Bye. Bye.